Get ready for some heavy rain as a rare summer nor'easter heads towards the east coast. According to weather reports, the storm is expected to hit the tri-state area Saturday night and continue through much of Sunday, bringing with it possible flash flooding and severe thunderstorms. The storm is expected to begin in the New York area around 4 p.m. on Saturday and continue until Sunday morning. Residents can expect 1 to 2 inches of rain, with steadiest and heaviest downpour happening overnight. Winds gusts in the area could reach 30 to 40 miles per hour on Saturday night. AccuWeather meteorologist Dan Pitmanowski said it's not your classical noreaster that you see in the winter, the New York Post reports. It's a pretty potent storm given this time of the year, he added. Share this article. The storm should lighten up in New York by Sunday morning as it heads out up north. The weather in the Big Apple on Sunday is expected to be warm, humid and dry, with temperatures reaching 82 degrees. Severe weather is also expected for Atlanta, Birmingham, Charlotte, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Philadelphia metro areas. Reports say damaging winds, large hail and possible tornadoes could be expected in some areas along the East Coast. Flash flood warnings are being issued for most of New Jersey and Philadelphia. Boston, however, can say goodbye for now to its beautiful sunny weather. On Friday, temperatures in the area were in the 80s with low levels of humidity, but people can expect to see rainfall start overnight Saturday. Tropical downpours and gusty winds are expected on Sunday, with the heaviest rainfall over western New England. While the East Coast is bracing for severe thunderstorms and rain, the southern part of the U.S. is experiencing a record-breaking and dangerous heat wave. Heat alerts have been issued from western Florida to California, according to weather reports. On Friday, Waco, Texas hit 109 degrees, tying the record high for the month of July. Dallas reached 107 degrees and Arkadelphia, Arkansas hit 120. Next week, Phoenix, Palm Springs and Las Vegas will see temperatures soar past 100 for several days in a row. Death Valley, California will hit 120 by Tuesday and Wednesday.